Hello everyone, I'm Matt at Torque King. Today's product highlight video is on the QU40863 Greaseable Double Cardan 1350 by 2 3/4 CV joint head assembly for a Ford Excursion or Super Duty front drive shaft CV joint. This brand new premium high quality double Cardan constant velocity joint assembly is totally greasable. The universal joints are a cinch degrees through the cup mounted Zerk fittings, and the weld yoke has a flush fitting so you can grease your CV ball anytime you want. Now you can keep this baby greased, and it should last for the life of your truck under all but the most abusive conditions. Drive shaft fabrication can be done by any competent machinist, but the best results are usually obtained from a dedicated drive shaft specialist who can both assemble and balance the finished shaft. For information on drive shaft and run out and balance, see the Torque King Shop Manual TM3000. I put a link in the description below for more notes and applications, as well as where to purchase for your own rig. Visit our website at TorqueKing.com. Hey friends, we sure appreciate you watching these videos. Check us out on the web by clicking the links down below in the description and do the right thing. Give us a like, subscribe, and comment on what you saw, or even let us know if there's a product you want to see. Then hit the notification bell so you don't miss it when it comes up. We are working hard to give you good information here at Torque King. Thanks for watching, and until next time, good luck keeping your rig on the road.